Hi everyone, it's time for J7409 weather on Sunday, the 5th of May, 2019. This is for your weather in general. I did want to show you that yesterday this did come in on this disturbance that's been down around the Bahamas and worked its way up. And as you can see here, it is right here. It's just disorganized shower and thunderstorm activity now located offshore of the coast of the Carolinas. That's what's going to bring us all the thunderstorms and the possibility of severe weather right up from my coast all the way up into the Virginia coast. Now, the environmental conditions are not conducive for tropical cyclone development, and this system is expected to move northeastward. It's going to merge with that frontal system off the United States off the east coast tonight. Now, I told you it was going to do this a week ago. Additional information can be found at High Seas for all of you mariners. Now, this is the last special tropical weather outlook issue on this system that came out yesterday. I just wanted to let you guys know that this is it. You're not going to see it again. It's going to move on off in 48 hours. 0, 5 days. 0. Why? Because it's going to merge with this system over here, and it's going to get drug on out to sea. So I just wanted to bring this to your attention so you'd know what was going on. What you're looking at, my friends, of course, is the NAM map this morning. It's not the regular GFS. This is the NAM 12KM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. What's coming up in the near future? Rain and thunderstorms for the eastern seaboard today, with some severe thunderstorms possible. Thunderstorms are expected for portions of the plains for the beginning of the work week, with severe weather and flash flooding possible. And we got some colder temperatures and some snow forecast for the northern Rockies and the northern plains. Let's turn this map on and let it roll, if it will do so. It doesn't seem to want to be coming on this morning. Here we go. Okay, we got a cold front. It's expected to move eastward across the mid-Atlantic and southeast today. It's going to bring wet weather and thunderstorms with it. Strong to severe thunderstorms, particularly in the areas right over here in North Carolina and in eastern Virginia. Also some other maps, which I've showed you if you look at my latest video I put out about the Cape readings. Now, this is going to cause a lot of rain, high winds and hail in eastern North Carolina and Virginia. This is northeastern North Carolina and southeastern Virginia before this front ever passes. Now, a warm Sunday morning is expected, but the record high minimum temperatures could be set in parts of the southeast and the mid-Atlantic states. But it's going to cool up a little bit because conditions will dry out over these areas as the front passes. Everywhere except over Florida, where scattered showers and thunderstorms are going to remain as the front makes its way slowly across the peninsula. Now, ahead of a persistent dry line in the central and southern high plains, scattered thunderstorms are expected today, and you have that slight risk also of severe thunderstorms in place for much of West Texas. I know you don't need it. I hate to even tell you people, but you do. Localized heavy rainfall could occur across the plains, and by tomorrow, increasing moisture will flow from the Gulf of Mexico into southern Texas and increase your precipitation chances with it, with excessive rainfall, flash flooding in place for you guys tomorrow and tomorrow night in Texas. We got a cold front. It's going to gradually make its way southward across the Midwest and northern central plains today and tomorrow, eventually reaching the Ohio Valley and the lower Great Lakes region by Tuesday morning. Now, rain and thunderstorms are expected along this front, and heavy rain is possible as the front slows down in the central plains and the middle Mississippi Valley region. So what does that do? It makes flash flooding and flooding even more possible. It's already going on, and it's going to be in effect for everybody in this region Monday, tomorrow. Now, it's looking like all of this could happen anywhere in parts of Nebraska and Iowa today, and parts of southern and the central plains tomorrow ahead of this front. Now, behind the front, colder than average high temperatures. About 10 to 20 degrees are forecast in the northern plains, and some light snow is possible across the northern high plains and higher elevations of the northern Rockies. For the west, we got a low in the forecast to approach California today, and it should enter the state by tonight and progress across the central Great Basin tomorrow. Now, this low will cause colder than average temperatures in California, as well as scattered showers and thunderstorms across these areas. Light snow is also possible in the higher elevations, especially in the Sierra Nevada area. The Pacific Northwest will remain warm and dry through the next several days. And that's a check of your weather in general with J7409. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you'd like to subscribe, you're into the weather like all of us, please do so. Share this with your friends, your family, on your social media. I would appreciate it very, very much. Everyone have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.